The College of Social Sciences at Kuwait University organized a conference preserving cultural heritage in Kuwait in cooperation with the UNESCO Gulf States and Yemen office.
The College of Social Sciences emphasized the importance of the heritage in highlighting the cultural diversity among societies around the world. Hadil Fahad has more.
The College of Social Sciences at Kuwait University organized a conference in cooperation with UNESCO to preserve Kuwait national heritage through documented audio, recordings, photographs and images.
Actually, we are collaborating this year with UNESCO to focus more on the audio-visual archival materials. As we know, every houses and each institute over the world still preserve their materials, their memories, photographs, postcards, reels and tapes, as well as the documents. But now these materials considered very valuable items and a very richful reference to study any human behavior or any cultural movement. And in Kuwait we do have too many of these archival materials in terms of the governmental institution or the Kuwaiti private collectors, but we need some policies, codes, ethics and programming how to preserve and sustain these materials.
The conference shed light on plans, strategies and agreements aimed at preserving the Kuwaiti cultural heritage and studying the risk facing different types of heritage.
We chose this topic because it's particularly important for Kuwait, as the country is very rich in cultural heritage, both documentary heritage, tangible and intangible. But unfortunately, we don't always have a lot of data about the country to better understand what is going on, what kind of precious heritage is being preserved. So the whole idea of this conference is try to better understand how the heritage is being preserved in Kuwait, how much document you have, and how we can better help work together and coordinate to preserve it.
This conference provides a space for experts and workers to explore the opportunities and challenges related to cultural heritage in Kuwait. This conference will help in strengthening network and professional partners in order to ensure the preservation of the richness and diversity, cultural practice and forms of the past for future generation. This is Hadil Fahad reporting to Kuwait English News.